ReqV is a web application that has the goal to provide a user-friendly interface for the analysis and validation of functional requirements. It can handle multiple users and projects, and it is based on SpecPro, a library part of the Sage verification suite, and state-of-the-art model checkers. We can use the browser to access, login, and create a new project. A project is a container for the set of requirements that we want to analyze. At the current stage, ReqV handles requirements in form of property specification patterns. Property specification patterns are English-like structured natural language sentences with a direct mapping to one or more logics. To help the user, ReqV provides a user-friendly interface to guide him in the creation of the requirement. As you can see, the user can choose the scope and the pattern and complete the requirement with expression that describe the behavior of the system. In this demo, we take as example the use case of a robotic arm with 4 joints and an end effector, part of one of the Cerbero demonstrators. Once all the requirements have been inserted, we can launch the validation process. In background, ReqV translates all requirements in linear temporal logic formulas and perform a consistency checking analysis. If, like in this case, the requirements are inconsistent, we can run a new task called inconsistency explanation that searches for a minimal subset of requirements that are inconsistent. This can help the designer in identifying and fixing mistakes in a possibly very large set of requirements. In this example, the algorithm finds a core of 5 out of 75 requirements that are inconsistent. Analyzing them, we can easily spot the problem and fixing it. Now, we run the consistency checking again. In this case, the task returns successfully, so our requirements are now consistent.